Good morning, friends. I thought I'd give you a puppy update. And here's Reese. Look how big he's getting. Can you believe it? So big. So we have this little wooded area back behind our house. There's a couple lakes and these woods that are, fortunately a conservation area. So we don't have to worry about it for a while. When we moved in, it was that they weren't allowed to build back here for 25 years. So that's a good thing. Oh, sorry for my finger. So with Reese being a Catahoula, we do try and take him out back off leash for a while. So first of all, he's gotten to where he's really good off leash, and it helps reinforce that off leash listening. But he has that strong desire to track and get in the woods, all those things that Catahoulas are meant to do. So we do like to give him an opportunity to do that. So we try and take him out at least twice a day, and then plus I do a regular leash walk with him, but we try to do 3 times a day out here. And I let him run around for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So I bring him out in the mornings before I go to work. Unless I have to leave super early and it's dark, then Scott will do it. And then Scott takes him out at night when it's dark. And then whichever one of us gets home from work first takes him out. Unless, if it's dark, I'll only take him out to this, outer ridge, not the next part that we're gonna go to, because I just don't like being in the woods by myself when it's dark. But yeah, so here he is. He's getting so big. So he's coming up on 16 weeks. We went to the vet on Tuesday, and he is now 37.6 pounds already. He's definitely going to be a big puppy. And if you don't know, we found him out in the woods, and we did do DNA on him. So the results of that, I put a video up on it. But he is a Catahoula mix with mostly Catahoula and then Staffordshire Bull Terrier for the rest. He's a good dog. He definitely listens really well. He follows commands good, except see now where he's tracking, it's really hard to get him off scent when he's tracking something. And I gotta be careful. He has these web feet and he gets sand spurs in it. So I always, when we come in, I always clean his feet and check them to make sure there's nothing stuck in his paws. What are you doing, Reese? I think he has a track on my husband because this is where they get out here and walk. With him being a Catahoula, we like to let him kind of roam and smell as much as we possibly can. It's fortunate because we have this nice wooded area out behind our house, and he can just get out here. I take a leash in case I need to get him quickly, but he's really a good listener. The only problem with him is if he does get a scent of something that he feels the need to pick up, he goes for it. But I think that him being able to do this is really important. So I feel very blessed to have this area out here that I can feel safe letting him just sort of wander and do his thing. What are you looking at, Reese? If you start getting too far from him, then, you know, he will run to catch up with you. He doesn't like to be away from you too much. All right, so you want to see something cool I was just noticing? We'll walk away from him for just a second. So early in the morning, apparently, like, all the spider webs can be seen. Look. So look at this. So, but this is the thing. I don't know if you, I want to see if you can, like, see them. Do you see, like, all those spider webs? It's like, as far as the eye can see, there's like, it's all just, see, look, that's all spider webs. Isn't that cool? Like, is it something with the, like, at night, do they tend to lay more spider webs? It's so cool looking. I've never noticed it before. Oh, hey, buddy. Yeah, see, he won't get too far from you. Look how big he's getting. So, he's, let's see, on November 23rd, he was 12 weeks about. So, he's coming up on 16 weeks, not quite. But look how big he is. He's going to be a big boy for sure. Or maybe he'll just do all of his growing at once and then stop. What are the chances? He likes to climb that big dirt mound. So we try and let him come out here 2 or 3 times a day. If it's me in the evening, I only let him go on the periphery because, you know, I don't like to be back in this wooded area by myself. And it gets dark so early right now. You know, Scott will take him out here all night long, of course. But in the morning times, I'll bring him out here. Lets him do his little Catahoula thing. And burn off some of his energy. He is going to be so big. Oh my gosh. Look at him. And when I'm letting him do this, I just sort of leave him alone and let him do his thing. I make sure he knows where I'm at and that he stays close, doesn't get too far away. But he's really good. Like, he won't stay too, you know, he won't get too far. We also walk down near this little water area. I just get nervous because I still don't think he's big enough for me to not worry about alligators, you know? And there's a little place where all the brush has been pushed in, which is definitely an alligator spot. So that I have to be careful of. But he loves, look, he's mixed in with the dirt. So funny. He blends in perfectly. And sticks. Look, this is him, sticks. He loves biting sticks. So he's finally losing his puppy teeth. He's got adult canines now. He does still have a little bit of puppy teeth though. That's probably why he likes all the sticks. Isn't he pretty? He's listening to the birds. Oh, he spots something. Let's go see. Funny, he's chasing the birds. I wear my little rain boots out here. Uh-oh. Do you have a sticker in your paw? That's the one thing with these webbed feet of his I've noticed. Come here. Oh, he must not. He stopped chewing. When I bring him in, I have to check for sand spurs because in Florida, we definitely have sand spurs.